Here is your beautiful and spacious living space. Here is your kitchen space where you get an L-shaped granite platform. Is your spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we are doing a sample flat tour of K Raheja Vistas, which is located in central Mahalunge, Baner Annex, Pune and developed by K Raheja Corp. As you can see, I am at the actual location and behind me is the sales office. और उसी के आगे आपको मिल जाती है नांदे बालेवाड़ी रोड, जो राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है बालेवाड़ी और लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है नांदे. But before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview with the help of the 3D model. This project is constructed on 7.4 acres of land parcel with the 7 towers, which includes 3-level podium parking plus 24 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex and 4 BHK premium residencies. As you can see, I am at the actual Nande Balewadi Road and this project is located in central Mahalunge, Baner Annex, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है हिंजवाड़ी 1.5 किलोमीटर, Infosys Circle 3.6 kilometer and Mumbai-Bangalore Highway 3.8 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project with the help of the 3D model. This project has 45 plus luxurious amenities such as clubhouse, swimming pool, multipurpose court, kids play area, serene garden, senior citizen sit-out area and many more. As you can see, I am standing right in front of the 3 BHK sample flat, which has a carpet area of 1258 square feet. Now, this is the entrance and at the entrance, you get a video door phone for security purpose. Now, let's check out the sample flat. Now, as soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby where you can customize it with decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Now, let's check out the living space. Now, here is your beautiful and spacious living space where you get a lot of walking space. You can set up your couch and TV unit. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skid tiles, iron railing and 3-side covering. Now let's check out the dining space. Now here is your beautiful dining space where you can enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with your friends and family. Now let's check out the kitchen space. But before I show you the kitchen, let me show you the first bedroom as this flat is based on the butterfly concept. Here, as soon as you enter, you get an attached washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. You also get a space behind the door where you can set up your wardrobe. Now here is your first bedroom where you can set up your bed and TV unit. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skid tiles, iron railing and 3-side covering. You also get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. Now let's check out the kitchen space. Now here is your kitchen space where you get an L-shaped granite platform with an attached sink, with an also extra platform where you can set up your electronics appliances. You also get an attached dryer balcony where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Also, you get an attached window for ventilation purpose. Now let's check out the second bedroom. Before I show you the second bedroom, you get a common washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now here is your spacious second bedroom where you get a lot of walking space, where you can set up your bed and TV unit. You also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get a lot of space where you can set up your office setup or study table and many more. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with the sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes, 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. Now this is the way to your master bedroom. As soon as you enter, you get an attached master washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now actually I can see this. Here is your spacious master bedroom where you get a lot of walking space. Here you can set up your bed and TV unit. You can also set up your study table. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skid tiles, iron railing and 3-side covering. You also get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of K Raheja Vistas, which is located in central Mahalunge, Baner Annex, Pune and developed by K Raheja Corps. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel and book your dream home today through Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.